It's the weekend. I'm in here putting in work. Took a couple days off, but I'm back putting in work on this 100 miles 31 day challenge. Trying to keep my breath, guys. Loving this healthy life, you know that. But fuck you, try to this way. Enjoy your weekend.